Hi everyone, this is Agus Marsono. Welcome to the supplemental material beyond week 1. So basically, this time we're gonna be discussing about what we don't discuss in the class. So basically additional material. But don't worry, we won't be talking far from the material. It's just we're gonna be talking about additional material that we didn't have a chance to discuss in the class. To start with, go to this website, basically processing.org /reference, and you will be brought to this page. You see there are a lot of references here. Yeah, so many that I cannot mention one by one, but for you who still struggle to do first week homework, you can actually refer to this website and see if this information can help you. This time I would like to start by showing you how to create multiple angle shapes. So you're gonna choose subtitle vertex and then go to begin shape and look at this page. So let's start. First of all, don't forget to resize the canvas by size. I'll make this time 800 and wait sorry, and then for now I will comment this out and play it. So now we have a canvas with width 800 and height 800. Awesome. And then we want to create a shape, multiple angle shape, which start from 50. This is the first point, starting point, I would say. Going to the second starting point, I'll make it 500, and then I'll make it 125. I'll make it like 600, and then 700, sorry, and finally I want to specialize the like 100, 600. And let's see. Right, so you have your shape here, irregular shape. Okay, any one of you asked why on this last one, instead of saying final point, I said fourth point? No answer? Okay, here's the answer. Because we may have the fifth point. Let's say I'll make it 500 and then 600, and then I say vertex 200. Let's see, 700. Fine, and see how it works. Right, see? So you could have your 5 point, even 6 point, or even 7 point. So in other words, you can shape whatever shape you want to create. You can form whatever shape you want to create. This is just one of it. And then we still have, this is another one. Let's say it's got curve vertex. What's the difference? Well, I'm not sure, but let's see. Again, this is supplemental. Alright, this is not as I want actually. I wouldn't talk much about this. Well, let's forget about it. For now, we talk about vertex first. This one works very well. And then if you try Bezier, you tried Bezier here. This is a little bit complicated, Bezier, using Bezier, but fortunately in processing we have a tool basically to help us creating curve. Let's see. See, we have what they call Bezier editor. Draw Bezier curves visually and then automatically generate processing code to include in your sketches. So all you need to do is just to install it, and then yep, now we have the tool. We can choose it from here, Bezier editor. So yeah, for example, Okay. Alright. For example, we want to create such a drawing. All we need to do is just click copy to clipboard, and then let me check. Let's see. We create a new one, and then yep. So all we need to do just after we press copy code to clipboard, all we need to do just Command V or paste, and this is what we get. And let's see. Oh, sorry. We need to specify the size. See? Not bad. very close actually. So remember, all we need to do is just go to the tools and then add tool and choose Bezier editor. Okay, so we have that one. That will be very helpful in your first week assignment. Suppose you want to create a very difficult image. Other than that, yes, this is one thing that actually some of you may not get, some of you may get in the class. Basically, for example, size 700, and then I'm gonna create ellipse, width, height, fill. You wanna create 0, 100, 100. And you want to specify this, let's say make it to the max 700. So you're gonna have one big circle there, and then I'm gonna copy this too. And I'm gonna make this and instead I'm gonna create 600. Now you're gonna have a second one, and I wanna create a third one as well. Instead, so you're gonna have a third one, and so on and so on. So you're gonna have multiple ellipse, multiple circles basically. And to make it look nicer, you may wanna use this. You may want to put no stroke. See? Alright then, that's the end of the tutorial. Well, actually I would like to add one more thing. This is very basic, but okay, I'll show it to you anyway. So, interesting thought. With -50, I hope you understand this. Height